Got hourly employees on your team? Or maybe you're looking to make things more flexible at your organization by allowing leave to be taken in smaller increments. Either way, having a precise and reliable way to track time off by the hour and not the day is going to be essential for your record keeping. Well, thankfully with Vacation Tracker, switching to hourly leave tracking is as simple as literally flipping a switch, because when it comes to PTO, every hour counts. Hey, it's Dave from Vacation Tracker again, and today's very quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can track and manage leave in hours as opposed to days. Now just a quick word though before we proceed, this feature is limited to complete plan users only, so if you're on the core plan, you will need to upgrade in order to access it. With that being said, we're going to log into our Vacation Tracker account and navigate to the left-hand menu to the settings option. Once we click on it, the drop-down menu is going to open up and then we can click on locations. From this page, we're going to choose the location or locations where we'd like to implement an hourly leave policy or currently has one but is not being managed by Vacation Tracker. Let's use USA as our example in the bottom right here. We're going to click on View, and then once the page has loaded, we're going to click on the Leave Policies tab. Here we see all the different leave types that are currently at this location. If we want to change any of them from days to hours, we just need to edit it. So let's use PTO at the bottom here as our example. We're going to click on the edit button to the right here and be brought to the settings for this particular leave type. You'll notice right away near the top that we have an option for shortest leave duration, which we're going to want to switch from full day to 1 hour. There's also the option for half day if that suits your purposes better. Once you make your selection, we're going to navigate to the bottom of the page to update our settings. And then once we do so, the leave policy will be set and that particular leave type will now be tracked in hours as opposed to days. So now when an employee requests time off, if they're at that particular location, they'll have the option to do so in hours, and it's as simple as picking the date and the hours that they'll be away. And at the same time, when employees check their leave balances for that particular leave type, it'll show them the remaining balance in hours. As an added bonus, the reports now will also include the information in hours as opposed to days. And now you can rest easy knowing that every hour of PTO has been accounted for. Thanks again for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful and informative, but as always, if you have any questions or comments or just want to leave some feedback, you could do so right down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. In addition to this video, we have a few help desk articles on hourly leave tracking, so if you prefer learning that way, do be sure to check those out. That's it for this video for me. Happy vacationing!